I'm hungry. I think we should get a cake.
But not just any cake. A bunt cake.
Why?
But guys, I can only eat a certain volume of cake.
No problem. We'll measure it.
Let's measure some cake.
What? Silly Alex. Rules are for geometry kids.
We must use the power of calculus to calculate it. With calculators.
To the Suburban!
Wow. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing, Arjun?
Let's go find that cake, guys.
Can't find it over here, guys.
I wonder where it can be. Yeah. Yeah.
I found it. It's over there.
It's Andy!
Andy!
You know, Andy, this is our cake.
But no, this is my cake. I found it first.
No, let's battle for it.
Okay.
Yo, this is your mama. Calculus edition. At stake, this cake. Lay Creed.
Oh! Yeah!
Versus a member of the Big Cake Theory, Andy Nguyen. Let's get this battle started.
Alright, check it.
Let me destroy you.
Yo mama's so dumb. When I told her pi r square, she said, nah, they're round.
Oh! What you gonna do about that?
Your mama's so dumb. She's dumb.
Man. The integral of your mama is fat, plus a constant, where the constant is equal to more fat.
Oh! Snap!
Your mama's so fat. She's fat.
Hold up. Yo mama is so dumb, she can't even solve a second order, non-homogeneous differential equation.
Oh! Dang! Oh.
What?
You just got integrated. So according to the audience, the winner, Andy Nguyen, take your cake. Psych! Let's go!
What?
Hey Mark, what are you doing?
Cutting the cake.
Hey guys, after cutting the cake, I did some measurements and I found out that the outer radius is 11.5 centimeters, the inner radius is 3.5 centimeters, and the height is 7.5 centimeters.
The outer edges were smooth, therefore effects of ridges, holes, or bumps can be neglected.
Now that we have these measurements, let's calculate the volume.
To me, it kind of looks like a quadratic.
Nah, man, that looks like a non-quadratic. Are you kidding me?
Man, I never thought of it that way. Now, but it still looks like a quadratic to me.
You guys are obviously blind. It's obviously a sinusoidal.
What are you talking about? It looks like an ellipse.
Why don't you go just calculate it yourselves?
Hey, we should all calculate it
We
ourselves.
should calculate it ourselves and see what.
Exactly.
Whatever.
Hey Juan, you're pretty fast with that calculator.
Man, pretty good.
Andre, what are you doing?
I'm done already, fool.
Whatever, man.
Ooh.
So the equation for the non-quadratic is y equals negative 0.03 times x minus 7.5 to the fourth power plus 7.5. As you can see, the limits for the graph are at 3.5236464 and at 11.476354. The area of the non-quadratic turns out to be 47.7162473 centimeters squared, while the volume turns out to be 2,248.575011 centimeters to the third power.
Based on our cross-section, I came up with the quadratic equation, which is y equals negative 0.47 times x minus 7.5 quantity squared plus 7.5. As you can see on the graph, the limits of integration are 3.505327 and 11.494677. Based on our work, the area of the quadratic is 39.9467731 centimeters squared. And my calculated volume is 1,882.447333 centimeters cubed.
Based off our cross section, our sinusoidal equation is y equals 7.5 sine pi over 8 times x minus 3.5. As you can see on the graph, the limits are 3.5 and 11.5. And off this information, our area calculated was 38.19718 centimeters squared. And our calculated volume was 1,800 centimeters cubed.
Based on the cross-section of our cake, I developed an equation for an ellipse. My equation is y equals the square root of 56.25 times 1 minus x minus 7.5 divided by 4 quantity squared. As you can see from the graph, the limits of integration are exactly 3.5 and 11.5. From this, my calculated area is 47.1238 centimeters squared, and the calculated volume of our cake is 2,220.66099 centimeters cubed.
This non-quadratic graph seems to flatten out at the top. However, the original slice of the bunt cake is smooth and has no bumps or ridges. So this can't be it.
Hey man, the graph of your quadratic equation is narrow compared to the slice.
Your sinusoidal graph is more narrow.
Touché.
Well, because the slice of cake most resembles an elongated semicircle, I think the graph of the ellipse will fit the curve most accurately. Well, now that we found the area and the volume of the cake, you guys want to eat it?
Nah, let's go to In-N-Out.
Yeah, to the suburban! Let's go!
In-N-Out, 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 In-N-Out.
What?
Cut. What the?
But guys, I can only use a certain volume of cake. But guys, I can only use a certain amount of cake and flavor.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. All right, guys, let's go fight.
This is our cake, Andy.
Hey, yo, that's the value for this cake.
Andy, this is our cake.
Hey, yo, want a battle?
What's that?
Okay, what else are you gonna say, Andy? God.
Yo, Andy, this is our cake.
Your mama's so ugly. She's ugly.
Oh.
You messed it up.
Why do you say ugly?
No,
It's dumb.
What? No, but dumb one is the first one.
Yeah, and then it's ugly.
Wow.
That was ugly?
No, it's fat.
Wow.
It's bad.
Plus,
Yo.
Alright guys, so let's calculate.
Alright, now that we have these measurements, let's get to calculating the volume.
You know, I think this kind of looks like a non-quadratic.
Nah, dude, mine.
nah, man.
Alright, now that we have these measurements, let's get to calculating the volume.
You know, this slice kind of looks like a non-quadratic equation.
Nah, it kind of looks like a sinusoidal.
It's not really. Hey, let's cut the cake. Wait, no, Kyle, why am I... Well, now that we found the volume of the right cake and the right volume, are you ready to eat it, Mark? Well, now that we found the right...
You know what, whatever.
Well, come here. Alright, so Andy, just record me and Juan just look at each other right now.
But how to record?
With the record button.
Wait, what am I doing? Redo.
Let's go.
3.
Fail.
Don't look at the... See ya.